Welcome viewers to this video. In this video, we showcase the grandeur of the Panathenaic Stadium, which hosted the first modern Olympics in 1896. This stadium is built on the site of the ancient stadium used for the games of the Panathenea, and it is the only stadium in the world made completely of marble. In the 2nd century CE, when Athens was under Roman rule, the Athenian writer Herodotus Atticus funded the rebuilding of the stadium. If you plan to visit the stadium in Athens, do not forget to visit the museum at the stadium. The path to the museum is through this beautiful tunnel. Inside the museum, you will find Olympic flames from almost all the Olympic Games. There is also a poster for Paris Olympics.